wait. If you are doing Surya Namaskar like this, you need to stop. There are few ways that you can improve your Surya Namaskar even more better. Basic mistakes which we do in Surya Namaskars are very common. The very first one is Paschimottanasana. Most of the people, they bend from their waist instead of their hips. So, I'll show you the demonstration how people do and how we are supposed to do it. First, join your feet together. Engage your core. As you inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, drop them down, and while engaging your core, bend from your hip instead of your waist. Exhale, go down, all over down. Place your both the hands in front of your feet. Drop your head and try to touch it to your shin bone. This is the right pose. Now place your both the hands by the side of your foot. Raise your right leg up and push it back. Drop your back knee down. Thigh and the shin bone is in perpendicular with each other. Your knee will not overshoot your ankle. Your leg will be in between your both the hands. You will look up, come on your fingertips. As you come on your fingertips, your chest will expand. You'll have more window so that you can look up and hold the pose. Now in Parvatasana, the very basic mistake what we do is that our legs are always up and all the pressure is on your toes. So in order to shift the pressure, you will press the mount of your index finger and your thumb. Spread your fingers wide so that you have a strong foundation, as well as you can distribute the balance in your front and the back part of the body. You have to lift your pelvic region up as much as you can in order to lengthen your leg and your spine. In Ashtanga Namaskar, the very basic problem which we face is that your palm is behind than your shoulders. So, the very first thing is you have to align your hands in such a way that your shoulder and your wrist is in one single line. The second thing is your elbow goes far away. So, in order to fix that, as you clip that in, you'll get more support and better grounding. So, these are the basic mistakes we do in Bhujangasana. So, now we'll know how to fix it. The very first one is you join your feet together. Your elbow, which are drifting apart, you'll join them together and clip them in to get the better support. And the next one is you lift yourself further up, micro bend your elbows. Look up towards the ceiling. That will give you good backward bend. At the same time, you can work on your lumbar stretch. Namaste, this is Shubham. And if you are doing these mistakes, these are very normal. Even teachers do these mistakes. And improving these postures and using these tricks will help you to get along better with Surya Namaskar. Thank you.